for example. It's been done legitimately. Okay, so this, by you refining or flipping for big profits, this is one of the easiest ways to build a six-figure business fast. So the third thing is you can sell silver and gold online. List on eBay, Facebook, Marketplace, or your own online store, for example. So you can sell stackers to investors or jewelers looking for precious metals, for example. So I'll give you one example here, is that you buy a scrap gold necklace for $300, for example, and refine it and sell it for $400. That's a 100% return on investment, for example, isn't it? So you buy it $200 and then you refine it and you get $400 for it. So would you rather stack silver or turn it into a business? Comment below, stack or sell. It is entirely up to you what you want to do. But what I want to talk to you about is, because I know that the financial situation of this uncertainty, I'm here to give you some ways that you can get money in, ways that you can get, I'm all about side hustles, always have been, always will be, for example. So join our Gold and Silver Business Bootcamp, and what you'll learn is the full system step by step. I've created a Gold and Silver Business Bootcamp because I'll talk you through what I used to do many years ago, for example, and how you can profit from gold and silver. Inside, you'll learn how to start a scrap gold silver business from home, the best places to buy undervalued gold and silver, and how to test, weigh, and refine gold to get maximum profit. So I'll also be going through how to host a gold and silver buying party and how you can make money at your event, for example. And the bonus is you get exclusive access to the supplier network, and also you can get personal coaching as well from me. So I just wanted to touch point with you on that, because I think it's important for you to understand that right now is the best time to do gold as well as silver, because silver is going to explode. It's going to skyrocket according to these big, massive organizations that specialize in this. It is, amazing what's going to happen with silver, for example, especially. It's going to skyrocket. It is a massive, massive opportunity that I will say to you that if this is something that is the best time to do it. Silver is a lot cheaper to buy, so you're going to benefit from it. So think about why Warren Buffett invested in silver. Think about the silver supply crisis that's currently going to happen soon. So because of the solar panels, for example, that takes silver to build, as well as the manufacturing that's going to be driving the prices up of silver. Now, silver is like the dark horse that I said the other day, is creeping up, for example. And the impact on gold and silver markets. So why silver gold businesses are becoming the perfect thing to do right now. And that is that you can make money from scrap gold, broken jewelry that people don't want, and there's no use for them. Maybe they've lost an earring, they've just got one earring. Maybe they've got a piece of jewelry and it's broken in half and they haven't got it fixed, or they've lost the other half, for for example. Maybe they got a chain that's broken that they bring to you. All of these broken jewelries add up to a weight, for example. Rather than it just sitting in a jewelry box and it's broken, then they can get something nice from it, for example. You give them the price that it's worth as it stands, then they win, you win, and the host wins. You can even give the host an amount of money depending on how much you've collected on that day. So their incentive is to really push for people to come to their event, for example, their gold party, and bring all of their broken jewelry, for example, all their relatives' broken jewelry, for example, and then they get paid for it. The host gets paid for the amount of weight that you've managed to collect on the day, for example. So it is a perfect time to do it. And also it's a get together once a month. So the silver supply crisis, because of the solar and the manufacturing prices, is driving the prices up for silver. So you can profit from this historical moment, because this is an historical moment where silver is looking like it's going to actually skyrocket and pass gold, the value. Not saying right now, but it will happen, in the near future, for example. Sometimes you got to play the waiting game. It's not about, sell straight away. Let it go up. But think about at what price would you sell. Maybe you want to do it to save up because you want to get a house. Maybe you want to do it because you want to pay for your child's education, for example. There's lots of different reasons why. And maybe you want it because you want to pay so that you got a comfortable retirement and not be living just on state pension, for example. So there's various ways why you want to start a party, a gold party, silver party business. Or maybe you just want to flip and buy them for yourself. You don't have to do a party, just do it and buy it for yourself so that it stacks up. So you've got savings, for example. You see, these signals, they can't be ignored. It's here for us to see. Warren Buffett, when he makes these moves, it's famous. Whatever moves he makes, it's for a reason. So the silver supply crisis, it's a perfect storm. Just like how the eagle, I've mentioned to you before about how the eagle flies into the storm and uses that to help it to fly higher during that storm, for example. So silver is no longer just a collectible. It now is an industry necessity, and you can be a part of that. And we're running out of silver faster than we could ever have, for example. So there is a silver deficit at the moment. The demand is outpaced and the supply